to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, western Choctawhatchee Bay, until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:17 a.m. Central Daylight Time, thunderstorms with gusty outflow winds were located along a line extending from near Okaloosa Pier to 12 nautical miles southwest of Okaloosa Deepwater Reef, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Choctawhatchee Bay, Fort Walton Beach, Highway 331 Bridge, Okaloosa Deepwater Reef, Shalimar, Fort Walton Liberty Ship Reef, Destin, East Pass at Destin, East Choctawhatchee Bay and Mid-Bay Bridge. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Western Choctawhatchee Bay, Eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from